up, you guys? I got mud on my face. It's Aztec healing clay. But Anina was sitting here like I'm supposed to do a reading, so I've just decided to turn the camera on. Maybe Nina just wanted y'all to see her beautiful markings. I don't know. She's just sitting here. But let's pull some cards. Let's see what's going on. Ancestors of the Highest White Light. What's the message? We'll just do a quick one. You got resistance. Belong with you. That is not the key of the song. But there's this song called Baby, I'm Just Having Fun. It's by Cannons. I think it's called Purple Moon. Because I belong with you. Purity. Darkness. Okay, so I feel like somebody has cleansed themselves from the darkness. I actually did a few readings before this. I may or may not post them. I was going to post them yesterday when I did them, but there were other things that came along, and I just couldn't handle all of the input. So in the reading that I did, though, it looked like somebody needed to ground and open up their heart. It looks like somebody has done that. It's like somebody has been swimming upstream for a very long time, resisting some sort of pattern that was manufactured to create a what I'm hearing is a bastardized, it's a false light timeline, but a bastardized version of what someone's life is really supposed to be. So, like, for instance, maybe somebody... Okay, Nina, I need you to not be so sassy with that tail. Okay, please, my love. Thank you. Otherwise, I'll turn the reading off. Thank you. And I feel like you want me to do this reading, so let's do this reading. Let's go on my lap. Yeah, you want to go on my lap? Come here. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Come on. You want to think about it a little bit longer? Come here. Oh, I love you. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. All right. Now. Okay, that's better. Thank you, ma'am. All right. What else? Spirit, ancestors of the highest light. Okay, so somebody has been resisting. I feel like somebody was caught in some sort of or somebody was trying to create a cycle for somebody, or a false thought, like a false way of thinking. I'm trying to think back to the reading that I did before this one. I wish that I could combine the two, but it's like, yeah, resilience. See, what did I say? Somebody's really good at swimming upstream. Somebody's really good at swimming upstream and I think even the analogy that I used in the reading that I did, I gotta post that one now. It was yesterday. It was May 1st when I did that. Now it's May 2nd when I did that reading. So, but it was something about, it's like whoever you are, you went through the darkness in order to, honestly, in order to amplify your light is what I'm seeing and hearing. But you went through the darkness to kind of like learn how to not have to swim upstream, but to learn how to be able to find a different path, like whoever you are when you were swimming upstream, so to speak, okay, against a lot of karmic energy and against a lot of attacks and against a lot of, just, right, generally speaking, right, yeah, attacks, things like that, okay? There's an energy coming through that I rebuke, and return to sender. Fuck you, not you guys, whatever that was. Thank you, ancestors of the highest white light. But there's something about you having, gone through and being able to find another path. And maybe this is, fear in the reverse position. It's like now whoever you are, it's like you're so very empowered by this experience. I'm hearing sun's up a little after 10. Make breakfast for my friends. On this perfect day, nothing can go wrong. On this perfect day. Oh, nothing standing in my way. That's the word. That's the part I'm trying to get to. Okay, it's like whatever, there's nothing that's going to be standing in your way moving forward. Okay, discernment, you have the spirit of discernment strong within you. Yeah, somebody went through, what did we call that before? Like the karmic den, or like the wolf's den or something like that, and like kind of learned how to be a wolf to teach other people how wolves act or something like that, or so that you know how to discern, right? That type of behavior. Blossoming. So, right? Like, what did I say? Somebody's expanding. What else, Spirit? There was a card that I pulled in the reading. Also, I have to post it now. Temperance. It's incredibly important for somebody to remain, well, now I'm hearing like remain unbothered, but remain emotionally, now I'm hearing objective, but to remain balanced and to be patient with your purpose, and to stabilize your energy, and let the flow of your life force just go kind of where it needs to go. Because I feel like somebody has been like in their masculine energy for a very long time, and having to like just like go and without really even being able to check in with their intuitive guidance. Like somebody was really put fucking through it, okay? And so it's kind of like, but there's also like I'm hearing like shake a tail too. So like, yeah, avoid going to extremes, and be very cautious and thoughtful with regards to your actions. I think whoever you are, though, that's kind of like, that is kind of like where you kind of already are. You know, like, I don't know, maybe I'm even seeing like somebody, because like temperance is ruled by, temperance is associated with the planet of Jupiter, I believe, and maybe somebody, whoever you are, you're just like really, really lucky, and you kind of like go through life like really, really lucky, and it's kind of like you now you have your luck and your discernment, and right, like your discernment, like you can be more thoughtful about your actions with regards to these types of karmic situations, whatever situation you may have been in, okay? Only you know, I don't know. So I feel like that is actually the end of the reading. I'm probably going to post this one before the other ones, but you know, I actually think that we covered most of what needed to be covered in this reading. Good job, Nina. Thank you so much. I'm going to go feed her some sardines. I'm sending you guys so much love. Thanks so much for being here. I hope that this helped any of you, all of you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, until next time. Bye, guys.